lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again, traders in the building. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? But in the meantime, give me something to ginger. Give it to me while I lean back. Mark your attendance, traders. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. You know how we do it every night. I am trading binary options, and currently I am looking at Brent oil OTC charts. Yeah, let's see if we are already getting the bag. Tell me, how has your day been, guys? Do you have any traders that have looked at their chart today? It's a lifestyle. Portal to my world. Watching from Jamaica. Good to see ya. Godwin, you're locked in for life. Hey, that's how you're gonna be moving. Let us first secure these buys. All right. The night is still young. Silverton, good to see you. El Bachir, good to have you. Hunter, good to have you all. Alex France, good to see ya. Romeo, good to have you. Yes, I tried a few things learned from you, and I must confess I was going well. That is really nice. That's really nice. Keep locking in.
So I chat to you, if you fall in love, Kelly satin, you go to breakfast, I'm not happy. Can you see people, I'm not catchy. I'm not faking this, no fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catchy. I'm on quest and feet, I just want it.
Feelings. If I'm broke, not my business. Alfred, good to see ya. Guys, tell me, how have you spent your day today? For the night. Graham, good to see ya. Godwin, tell me more. How is it moving for you? What did you try? Did you really execute, or you are just back testing the strategy? Nico, good to see ya.
If I broke down my business,
this is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple. It is price action. And when it comes to price action, basically you're looking at your charts and you look at the current price movement and you base on that to execute. Blanche, good to see ya. Rana, good to have you. Guys, I'm really okay, and I really had a very fruitful day, because why not? Yeah, I had a beautiful day as always. I love such a day because I get to hang out with friends. Yeah. So that's what I did. And of course, I'm always locked in on the chats, because why not? Net day off. You can come get rich with us. You gon' eat or you gon' starve.
keep it certified. Here to sin, I pay him not to rob. Pop out 2020 color and I'm riding.
Cameron, good to see ya. Judy, good to have you.
All the men was made free bands. I packed live like they cracking card. Don't know for a fact I keep it.
This is a trading assembly. Traders, tell me, have you spent your day? How have you spent your day? Have you looked at your charts? I'll be saving more than I'll be spending. That's what I'll be on.
I'm human, I'm not perfect. I know sometimes I be wrong.
Having a good day after seeing you. All right. That's nice.
I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be
running from me. If I like it, I spend money on you. Get whatever from me.
These figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail you 10 slips.
She make sure she keep her nails done and the wig fit.
When it's chilling that way, help me down.
Guys, we are in a bearish market, and you can confirm this by just seeing market structure. It is bearish, continuously taking out the lows and maintaining the highs. That is the typical market structure of a bearish market. And anytime you see a market pulling back and taking out the most recent high in a bearish market, you switch your bias immediately to a bullish market, especially if you're on a lower time frame, because most of the time movements on a lower time frame, they are supporting either continuations or pullbacks on higher time frames. So it is best to always have a flexible mindset to shift so fast as long as you see change. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on you. Get whatever from me. So let us get this continuation. I mean, the market's pulled back but didn't take out a high, and it gave us a bearish confirmation. That's why I am taking these sales here. So let's see how they are locking in. All right. As anticipated, we get some crazy plus here. Alexander, good to see ya. Trent, good to have you. Cat Lover, good to see ya. Lol, I know you're fan. Of course. Of course. Good vibes live here with me. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. I am trading binary options.
Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't.
William, good to see ya. Curious, good to have you.
I finesse down Western Road.
David, good to see you, and thank you for the compliment, guys. Thank you for the compliment.
Bad things, there's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Bad things, it's a lot of bad things that they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wish on me. Yeah. Hey. She said, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my baby.
Alright guys, based on what I'm seeing on the charts, this is the market has shifted bullish. So let us watch out and see if buyers are really gonna maintain this. When it comes to market structure, you have to be continuously analyzing the market, guys. It's really important to know where the most recent high and lows are. Like I told you, if you really find it so hard to really tell where the highs and the lows are, you can just start with mapping out everything that seems like a high to you and mapping out something that seems like a low to you in the market. Then actually, the more you keep on doing that, you're going to start realizing where the strong highs and the strong lows are. Strong highs and the strong lows in the market basically refer to the lows that push the market so high to lead to a break of structure to the top side in a bullish market. And for a bearish market, we are looking at the low, we are looking at the high that pushed the market so down to and led to a break of structure to the downside. So if you can tell those key points, they are going to help you locate the turning points in the market, and you always know if you're in a bullish market, a strong low is protected. The moment it's taken out, that is showing market strength from sellers, and you have every right to shift your bias from a bullish market to a bearish market. Same with the bearish market, highs are highly protected because they are the strong points in a bearish market. All you have to do is, the moment you see any strong high is taken out in a bearish market, shift your bias to a bullish market, because mostly it takes a lot of market strength and momentum to break a high. This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. I'm born to win. I ain't got nobody to help me, so I must win. All my life, every day, my dream is just to win. I don't have anyone to support me, so I must win. Nobody really knows tomorrow. When I sell planting, get them there. He don't play, on the red. Me have a hustle, but he don't play. When I sell planting, get them there. He don't play, on the point on the red. Me have a hustle, but he don't play. Carl, good to see ya. Raphael, good to have you. Dream, good to see ya. Oh my, what? Oh my god, that was really a quick turn against me. Damn. And the time I come here, keep them fire. All of my guys, me, I link them higher. And I'm still on my way. I don't get anybody to help me, so I must win. All my life, every day, my dream is just to win. I don't have anyone to support me, so I must win. Zehra, good to see ya. Stupid. Neville, good to see ya. Guys, feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn. I want to know, do we have any trader that's really locked in some profits today? You gotta see this. Yeah. Hey, I remember syrup sandwiches and crime allowances, finessing on them with some counterfeits, but now I'm counting this. Parmesan with my accountant looks like I'm counting this. I'm say with my food may taste like Kool-Aid for the analyst. Girl, I can buy a rusty girl with my face stuff. I know that it's good, but you said it on my taste buds. I can't wait to petty once you let me get the extras. Pull up on your block and break it down, we playing Tetris. AM to the PM, PM to the AM phone. Eat up your per diem, you just gotta hate them phone. If I quit your BM, I still rock Mercedes phone. If I quit this season, I still be the greatest phone. My left stroke just went viral. Right stroke put a baby in the spiral. What is the market condition? We are in a bullish market, but this pullback, it is showing me it's like the market is yet to change structure, but you have been in a bullish market, and this was just a bearish pullback. And like I always tell you, if the market pulls back and takes out the most recent low in a bullish market, and that low you have to see a candle closing below it for a bullish market and a bearish pullback. That's when you shift your mindset and you see that. And it's what has basically just happened. The pullback has really taken out the low, and the market is showing us it's still going down. So at this rate, I'm my bias has shifted to a bearish market.
Show me something natural. I wanna feel some stretch marks. Still a taking down right on your mama couch and polo side. Hey, this is way too crazy. Hey, you do not amaze me. Hey, I blew cool from AC. Hey, oh how much is pastry. Hey, I don't fabricate it. Hey, mostly y'all be faking. Hey, I stay modest about it. Hey, she elaborated. Hey, this that grapefruit pond, that AV on that dead top. Hey, watch my soul speak. You let the mess talk. Hey, if I kill it, it won't be the alcohol. Hey, I'm the realest, after all. Tell 'em be humble.
Sit down, be humble.
Sit down. Be humble. Tell 'em sit down. Be humble. 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 Sit down.
Toby, good to see ya. Barbara, good to have you. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. I'm taking this continuation entries here because you can see the market tried to pull back, but didn't really give us much of a confirmation in change of structure and gave us some good bearish candlestick pattern there. I based on that to really take this continuation trade.
You to back it up and dump it. Put your arms out front, lean side to side. They gon' be on you when they see you with that dirty ride. Ain't nobody getting with my broken.
Yeah, when it comes to price action, especially on your execution time frame, you have to focus on always continuously analyzing the chart to understand especially structure. Like I always tell you, when it comes to market structure, that is where the turning points in the market, you can see them. And if you can tell where the turning points in the market are, you can easily execute because, if I'm in a bearish market, structure is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. And the other thing I'm looking at in a bearish market, want to take a continuation trade, that is when the market has pulled back, doesn't take out a high, and it gives you a bearish confirmation that it is still heading down, like currency now. Then you based on that either to go with the continuation or to wait. Same with when the market has just taken out a low in a bearish market, that is a confirmation to start anticipating a pullback in the opposite direction. What you have to do is to either wait for a bullish candlestick pattern that is going to confirm the buys, and you take the buys. That's the point of price action. Always understanding the turning points and looking at candlestick patterns, confirming them in key areas, and you'll be taking trades based on that.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Teach me how to duck. Teach me how to duck.
Everybody love me. You ain't messing with my thug.
Back of the party, I don't really like to boogie. I'ma put the pen away and try to meet a red bone. She do her dirty and every girl hating, but I'm thinking about escaping with her to head home. She got a friend, so it's a two.
Sellers are really still in control. Sellers are still in control. Let us watch out and see.
All the bros call me lucky because they see the girl I'm with and she ready, so we rushing. I turned off my kick because I don't want to hear no fussing. Cali swag got them haters under their rap cussing. Nah, man, you can't tell me nothing. Star made the beat, I just took it out the oven. I just see the
Right, as anticipated. Feel free to ask any trading question, traders. We are here to learn. And also catch up. Tell me how has your day been, traders? Tell me how you spent your Saturday. Should I go first? I can't decide. I want to, but a bitch got pride. feeling you, but you gotta get in touch with me. You ain't hit me up in a while, acting like you don't know a number to dial. Quick and that's it, I'ma throw in the towel. Sellers are on to something. Someone comment, you are going down in the deep. Down in the deep, you go down in the deep. Yeah, because they are really still giving us this down movement, and until a high is taken out in this case, that's when we are going to shift our bias from a bearish market to a bullish market. But for now, I'm still bearish. These are pullback entries and fully locked in. Cause I'm looking at these messages, they on me. Acting like they ain't niggas that want me. Let another nigga in your spot, and you gon' be hot, nigga cough. You gon' be sick to your stomach. Maybe when you free one. We go down in a DM, down in a DM. Yeah, that's where our sellers are going. So if you're with sellers, you should comment down in the DM, because that's where they're really heading. And all I'm gonna do is to just keep on cruising with them, because why not? We all know the easiest way you can trade is by following that trend. At least I know every trader has come across that, and it is actually right. And the longer you last in the market, the more you realize they didn't lie. Following the trend is the easiest way you can really trade. But again, if you can spot pullback entries and you get confirmation, don't hesitate to execute, because trading is also about taking the risk. You have to be willing to take the risk, and don't miss out on any opportunity if you see it. I just miss us, baby. You don't make it re. Nick B, good to see ya. Love from London. Good to have you. Much love from here. Majest Official, good to see you. Movie Time, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Talk to me. Looks like we're making up for lost time. Need you to spell it out for me. Passing over on all time. It's like a type of alchemy. Introduce me to your best friend. I can come slide right in. A satellite ain't even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it alone. Interesting. Yeah, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. 868TT, good to see ya. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. Talk to me, be the man that I need. Talk to me, be the man that I need, baby. I'm gonna continue taking this cells here, because why not? You guys are interesting, to be honest. Much love from here for making me really happy. Let's get on the same page. Stop making me read between the lines. Already know I can leave it alone. You're on my mind. Already gave you the time and the place. Don't be shy. Come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give. I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Never the type of talk it is. Come on, man. I gotta know you meant to be the man I need. Talk to me. Khan, good to see ya. Vardamir, good to have you, my dear. Hamda, good to see you. Good to have you all, traders. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, we are here to learn. My strategy is simple, it's price action, so all my entries are based on that. Yeah, when it comes to trading, guys, we do not execute because you're seeing a green or red candle. It is better to execute with a confirmation. Always wait for your confirmation, execute on that. Do not just be chasing the market because you're seeing a green candle opening and you just execute based on that. You should always have a reason why you're taking up any trade in the market. That way, even actually, it helps with your psychology, because if you have a reason why you're taking a particular entry, even when it doesn't, even when the market goes against you, at least you know you had a reason why you're taking the trade, compared to when you're going to blame yourself for just rushing entries. So that is something that can help you with your trading psychology, because you know when it comes to psychology, there are moments when you feel guilty and you wish you waited for the market. Yeah, so if you're not seeing a move, please wait and get a confirmation. It's going to save your psychology and also protect your account. And we all know when it comes to trading, if you have no capture, you can't really ball. It's important to trade. It's important to protect your capture, because if you have no capture, you cannot trade. And if you cannot trade, you're not gonna be. Yeah, that's the cycle.
We never see this kind of love, yeah. You make me want to fire, so you go cause me casala. I get you love, yeah, shana. Me, I didn't want for you, see. I give you Louis back and Gucci. The way you bring it down, I'm stupid, yeah.
Say banana like monkey, body sweeter, na. Majesty Official. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, because we are all here to learn. Yeah, so I share my strategy on this stream. Kizara, good to see you. Zubi Kings, good to have you. Lover. Body sweeter. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god, what was that?
It's funny, the shot I put on the song ain't gonna sound nothing like the shit we doing.
Cindy, good to have you, my dear. Good to see you, Cindy. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. Bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, where do you use them? I'm a definition of a bandit.
I don't need no Molly to be savage. Hey, but when I'm on the Molly, I'm a savage. Hey, my girl, the definition of a bad bitch.
Alright. Someone is first. Let me first answer the engulfing candlestick pattern. We all know when it comes to trading, especially price action, and I believe all trading strategies, you only execute in your key areas. It's not like every part on the chart you're really going to be executing from it. You would want to be executing in key areas. Every strategy has key areas, but when it comes to price action, key areas that I'm looking at are the highs and the lows in the market. So for example, if I'm in a bullish market, I'm anticipating structure to be moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. That is, it's continuously taking out highs and maintaining the lows. So for you to trade with a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, you'd wait. The market is going to take out a high. It gives you a pullback. Then that pullback, the market goes down in the opposite direction, but it doesn't take out a low, because in a bullish market, lows are maintained, but it gives you a bullish confirmation that it's getting back into a continuation. That confirmation could be a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. So if you see it in such a case, that is when you just execute buys. And that is the first step of using a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. It is same can be used in a bearish market when the market breaks structure. We all know after a break of structure to the downside in a bearish market, you anticipate the market turning in the opposite direction, offering you buy opportunities. So if you're looking forward to taking buys, you would want to see a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern printed on the charts. If it is printed, you're free to take those buys, but in your mind, you know it is only a pullback entry. And the opposite is true for a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. You're gonna trade with it in a bearish market if you're getting into a continuation. That is, market pulls back, doesn't take out a high, but gives you a bearish confirmation. That is a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. You can start trading with that from there. Opposite is true in a bearish market. You trade with a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. After the market breaks structure to the top side, takes out a high, from there you start anticipating a bearish pullback, and you can trade with that if you see it on the chart as a pullback entry mode. Yeah, let me hope you get that Godwin. That's why story is important. Market structure is king, and if you can tell, honestly, if you can easily identify right market structure, trading is really going to become easier for you, because all my entries, I really confirm where I first look at where is the most recent high is, where is the most recent low is, and I understand also the market I'm in. So if everything confirms that, I'm going to just execute, and I always tell you what happens after the execution. The moment you open a trade, what happens after, it's none of your business, because you cannot control that. You should make peace with that in your mind, that if you take buys, whatever happens after the buys you have taken, it's none of your business. Yeah. So for you, all you have to do is to analyze the market to the point of your execution. After execution, it's none of your business. You can only control what to do before your execution. After the execution, you just wait and see how your entries are going to close. Because if we could control what happens after execution, everyone would be a trader. So that's what making trading so risky, and that's why risk management is very, very important.
Встретимся в проводах, здесь только наша волна. Ты помнишь, спутник Луна качает все города. Коннектимся в проводах, здесь только наша волна. Ты помнишь, спутник Луна.
Do you consider also the wicks or only candle bodies? If I'm just reading the charts, I'm going to consider the wicks. I'm going to really consider the wicks if I'm looking at the charts and I'm looking at a key area, because like I always tell you, wicks, they are going to be showing you either price rejection, or they are going to just be confirming low momentum in the market. So if you're looking at a particular key areas and you're seeing a lot of wicks there, that is a sign that the market could be in an indecision. Buyers and sellers are still fighting for the price level. So you can stay away from such a from such a zone and you wait for the market to take direction, or you can take a risk basing on just looking at candles, the candlesticks that are forming after the price rejection that has happened. So of course, yes, wicks do matter because you're going to be reading something with them. They are just also showing you something in the market.
If I tell her you, she could say no. If I tell her brother, she could.
No matter the money. Interesting. The guy, good to see you. How are you doing? Tell me, how have you spent your day today? Tell me, how have you spent your day today? And someone is asking, how do you identify a valid key area?
But she don't mind to wear them. She know I know man, but no problem, no.
All right, with price action, our key areas are the highs and the lows in the market. But I told you guys, if it's so hard for you to identify the highs and the lows in the market, the easiest way you can really learn this is coming from practicing, because over time you're going to find yourself refining them more and more. Anytime you see anything that looks like a high on the charts, map it out. Keep on mapping out. You're going to realize most of the highs you have mapped out, they could not be really making sense, and you start filtering them out to the ones that make sense. Because honestly, that's how I really learned mapping out market structure. I told you guys, I spent quite some time just waking up, looking at the charts, mapping out the high, the low, and the structure breaks. Of course, most of the times when you're starting out, especially, you may not be mapping out the right thing. But as you keep on practicing and also getting better at trading, we all know trading is a skill we build over time. So as you keep on practicing, you're going to start realizing that you're gonna be getting the right highs and the lows. And the right highs and the lows, those are your key areas as a price action trader. To nobody, to nobody, to nobody, to nobody. All right, these sounds are really gonna do it for us. Nice. Do you recommend any book? Guys, I'm the book. Anyways, as a trader, honestly, I think I read very many books. But actually, the books I was reading then, I don't know if they still apply, but they just really helped me so much with market psychology, because actually when you are still a beginner or you're starting out to trade, what we struggle most with as traders is trading psychology. So really reading market experiences from fellow traders, it just helped me to also deal with my psychology more and in a better way. In a better way, yeah. I read a book, actually the best book that I feel like I read, it's called Naked Forex, but I feel like it was published a long time ago, but still it helped me so much with my trading psychology. It is just, you can think it's only talking about Forex, but actually it is interviews from different traders of different markets, but it did me well with dealing with my psychology, because I mean, always getting experiences from fellow traders is the best way you can learn market psychology at some level. Because when you're a trader in your room, sometimes you can think the market is only hating on you or some things are not happening, but trading is something everyone, what you're experiencing as a beginner, I myself, I experienced it. That's why I'm always sharing consistency and locking in. Because from just my own experience, that's what I learned. Trading in the zone, trading in the zone. Yeah, actually, that is also a good read, Cameron. Naked Forex. Yeah. I mean that one. I read it. And actually, it's not all about Forex trading, it's about all markets. I don't know even why they named it that. Pull up, baby, feel lonely.
They call me Megatron, just did a telethon. He got my jealous on, and I get my jealous on. I fuck him like I miss him. He just came out of prison. Bitches be talking shit, but they ain't got a pot to piss in. My name is Nikki M. I'm in a sticky Benz. That mean it's candy apple red. I'm Barbie, this was Ken. That is a 50 fact. I'm with 100 max. Oh, this is custom made. Donatella sent me that.
Feel up, baby, feel lonely. Pull up, baby, feel lonely.
Feel up, baby, feel lonely. Pull up, baby, feel lonely. Shut, I'm drinking.
I turn up when I'm drinking. I turn up when I'm drinking.
Rum, when I'm shut, I'm drinking. It's better when I'm drinking. I tune up when I'm drinking. Rum, when I'm
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using and its pocket options. My strategy is simple, is locking in. My strategy is price action. Yeah, and when it comes to price action, you have to look at understanding the market you're dealing with. Are you in a bullish market? Are you in a bearish market? Are you in a sideways market? Understanding market structure. Understanding market structure, and all my entries are refined with candlestick patterns. Key areas as a price action trader, it is the highs and the lows in the market.
Bite me, that excite me. He said it's my pussy. If you eating it, do it precisely, cause I'm a millionaire.
This is pricey.
He said it's my pussy.
Guys, I trade OTC market, and when it comes to OTC market, we trade 24/7. We are locked in, no days off. That's why I actually love trading OTC market. I get to lock in 7 days of the week. I mean, cause why not? No, currently we are in a bearish market. So the market structure is forming. It is series of lower highs and lower lows. Higher lows and higher highs happen in a bullish market. For bearish market structure is series of lower highs and lower lows, and it is that because of the market is continuously going down in the DM. So, and it's higher highs and higher lows because the market is continuously going high up.
Still remember how I approached you. I think I loved you before I knew you. No, we be fucking before I screwed you. Made a promise I won't use you. Play my cards right, I won't lose you. Got them tuning like I'm me too. Got some on me like it's voodoo. I go nuts so you go cuckoo. Lose my cool and all. Man, I know that shit was wrong. I shouldn't did what I did. Just wipe your eyes and stop this crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you X. I tried to buy it. I even did a unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did to you. Take me back if I was you and I did what I did. I probably would.
This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask
Take
any
me back
trading
if I was you
question.
and I did what I did. I probably would. I probably would. Just wipe your eyes and stop crying. I told the truth that I've been lying. I gave you X, I tried to buy it. I even did the unthinkable. I'm sorry for what I did to you. We started off as close friends.
Someone comment locked in. I need to know how many traders are still locked in.
Everything. I even went
Yeah, I need to know how many traders are locked in. We all know this is a trading assembly and we have to be fully locked in, so that's when I'm explaining a move you can easily catch on. Joe, good to see ya. Cristiano, good to see you.
Everything I did for us and us, I'm speaking on my kids. Thinking about the shit I did, like how the hell I get myself involved in this bullshit. Married to the game, I can't make you my Beyonce. Sad young boss, bitch, treat her like Beyonce. But damn what them bras say, I fuck them out of birthdays. Why you tripping anyway, like when I fuck them out of pay? Even if we never speak again.
I need to see guys locked in.
Keep your business on the car, bought a brand new Audemars, but I ain't ran out of time. We started off as close friends. Somehow you turned into my girlfriend. We used to tell each other everything. I even went and bought a diamond rings, matching earrings. Everything was so cool. Lately, baby, been acting so rude. I don't know what somebody should choose, but I ain't gonna lie, Mr. Old you.
You ain't gonna come.
Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. You ain't got no cash. You ain't got no dollar. Let's play with that drama. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Let's just be honest. Let's just be real.
Real with the tweet, you the only nigga here failing yourself. Walk in and bitches start filming. Sitting with a man, thought he had still grinning the time.
Guys, I get to take an entry, of course, after following the strategy, which is following price action, understanding structure, understanding the market condition you're in. Then if I get into a key area, I see a candlestick pattern that is giving me confirmation where I anticipate the market is most likely to head. I take that buy or that sell. Like I always tell you, the mindset of a trader after execution of entries should be what happens. As in, you have to be comfortable with that. What happens after you have executed your trades? Because when it comes to trading, having a probabilistic mindset is a must. That I'm taking this entry, but it's most likely to either go in my direction or not go in my direction. If you can really get that mindset, you're going to find yourself actually executing more, because trading is all about taking that risk.
Roll up, good Cali, lottie dottie. It's just me and all my homies at your door like the shadow. Feel like can't nobody stop me.
Thanks for today's signal session. I mean, you're welcome. That's why that's why I started the signal group. And guys, if you want to join, you can create an account with my link. Then I'll surely write to me via Telegram with proof that you created an account, and I'll surely add you to my signal group. And you start cruising with me, because why not? Let's be real. All you have to do is to write to me. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram with proof. And guys, I'm gonna be adding you to the Signal group because it's for free. There's a link in the description for also my Telegram channel.
As women, there's rules we need to stand by. Stand for something to fall for anything.
Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once. Anybody owe you bread, do not accept the crumbs. Remember, you can never tell these bitches everything. Today she call you sis, tomorrow
She's the enemy.
money to the side, don't let no
And guys, whenever,
stand up.
because someone asked about candlesticks, do we confirm, do we look at only candle body? Do we consider the wicks? Yes, we do. We do consider the wicks, the body, but also how the candle has closed. It is really important, especially if you're looking forward to taking an entry. For example, I always tell you, if you see a doji, let me say a bearish doji after a breakout structure in a bullish market, then it is followed by another bearish candle and it closes below it. That candlestick pattern, the way it has formed and the candle closing below it, it confirms, it gives you actually a better confirmation for you to take sales than just seeing a selling candle not closing below the close of the previous candle. So also candle closure, how a candle closes next to the previous one, it really is important because the more they close above or below, depending on where you're looking at, it just shows you more strength in the market, and taking entries in that direction would be better because that is a strong confirmation. Anyway, guys, our queue is already up for the donation. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready because in a few we are getting into the donations. So looking at candle closures, that is like the most mechanical way how you are entering. Now that is like refining your entries more and more. Yeah, you do not just trade because you're seeing candles. Now you would want to see the closure, the wicks, the bodies. That is just having a more confirmed entry model.
Sweet life ain't always sweet, bitch. Gotta stay on her Q's and P's. Never let a nigga fuck you over more than once.
Two.
Anybody owe you bread, you not.
Someone comment ready because in a few we are gonna get into the donations. She's the enemy.
Money to the side, don't let no nigga leave you dry. Stand no business if they say it's up, you better ride. Keep the family first, put that in front of everything. Bet that on yourself if you gon' roll the dice on
Anything.
Any points to be made, don't be scared to prove it. And you better look fucking good when you do it.
Better look good when you doing it, bitch.
George, good to see ya. Good to see ya. This is a trading assembly. You're always here every night. So be sure to lock in 8 p.m. UK time. And feel free to ask any trading question because we are here to learn as we are catching up, because why not?
Love yours. Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life
That's better than yours.
No such thing as a life
That's better than yours.
Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing. No such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass. Let a nigga know that he alright. Don't be sleeping on your level, cause it's beauty in the struggle, nigga. It's beauty in the struggle.
Alright, guys, let us secure our profits for tonight. Then we get into the donations.
In the struggle, ugliness and the success. Hear my words and listen to my signal of distress. I grew up in the city and know sometimes we had less. Compared to some of my niggas down the block, man, we were blessed. And life can't be no fairy tale, no once upon a time. But I be goddamn if a nigga don't be trying. So tell me, mama, please, why you be drinking all the time? Cause all the pain he brought you still linger in your mind. Cause pain still lingers on mine. On the road to riches, listen, this is what you find. The good news is, nigga, you came a long way.
The bad news is you went a wrong way.
Being broke is better, a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Think being broke is better, a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. For what's money without happiness? Or hard times without the people you love? Though I'm not sure what's about to happen next. I ask for strength from the Lord up above, cause I've been strong so far, but I can feel my grip loosening. Quick, do something before you lose it for good. Get it back and use it for good. And touch the people how you did like before. I'm tired of living with demons cause they always inviting more. Think being broke was better. Now I don't mean that phrase with no disrespect to all my niggas out there living in debt. Cash and minimal checks. Turn on the TV, see a nigga Rolex, and fantasize about a life with no stress. I mean this shit sincerely. And as a nigga who was once in your shoes, living with nothing to lose, I hope one day you hear me. Always gonna be a bigger house somewhere, but nigga feel me. Long as the people in that motherfucker love you dearly. Always gonna be a whip that's better than the one you got. Always gonna be some clothes that's fresher than the one you rock. Always gonna be a bitch that's better out there on the tours. But you ain't never gonna be happy till you love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive. Fake niggas, mad snakes in the grass, let a nigga know that he alright.
Pacific, good to see ya. The minimum for donation is 400. Let us get ready for our first participant, Barbara. Guys, let us wish Barbara luck. Just one attempt, so let us lock it in. Wish on wish on wish on.
Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing, and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion, and all the pandemonium and all the madness, there comes a time where you fade to the blackness. And when you're staring at that phone in your lap, and you hoping but them people never call you back. But that's just how the story unfolds. You get another head soon after.
Guys, this is our continuation entry. You can see the market was already dropping down. So let me see type congratulations to Barbara. First attempt, just one attempt, and it is locked in. Can we type congratulations to Barbara? Wish you now.
Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before whatever mattered what I had.
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. So let's do that.
I'm guessing that if you can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe I go back to the days before the politics, there we go, the rap game. And back when ain't nobody listening to my mixtape. And back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is Holy Gator, what's up, Bobby Ray. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some sending wishes out of airplanes.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
I could really use a wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. A wish right now.
We move on to our next just to aren't.
I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting stars.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are on to our next participant. Long ago. My candles are 5 seconds. My expiration time is 15 seconds. Yeah, we are just looking into items for our participant, James Trader. So let's see. Oh my god. That was really close. That was really playing on our entry. But glad it is locked in, so one attempt to go. I told you long ago. This is a trading assembly. You are always free and welcome to ask any trading question because we are here to learn. Yeah, my strategy is simple. It is price action. I have videos on this channel talking about the strategy. Even while here, I am executing with price action. All my entries are based on that. Okay, seems like buyers are really changing this. Let us see how it goes. When it comes to price action and when you're on your execution time frame, it is important to be fully locked in and continuously analyzing the charts, because the more you're really analyzing the charts, the more you're going to be able to lock in those entries. I mean, you're just following the chart, trying to understand what's happening. Whenever you're looking at the charts, the questions that should be going in your mind is, which market am I in? Is market structure confirming that? Where is the market most likely to head? If you can easily ask those questions and you answer them while looking at the chart, because honestly, that's what is always going on in my mind. You are already a trader who just needs to be taking those entries. Because market analysis is about that, asking yourself what is happening, where is the market most likely to head. Then you execute in that anticipation. What happens after execution is none of your business, because you have already opened that trade. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to James. James. Let me see you type congratulations to James.
Let's get the party started. See you at the bar, you was hardly talking. That's when I knew that.
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. I need to see more congratulations to our participant, guys. Come on.
Back outside of my mom. I was at work, so I lay low. It wasn't my fault, I'm my mom. We're out chasing a rainbow. I'm back outside of my mom. I was at work, so I lay low. It wasn't my fault, I'm my mom. We're out chasing a rainbow.
Guys, let me hope you enjoyed this. And feel free to ask any trading question. Hello.
July, where you going for summer? Are you out to merch? Yeah, place to merch alone. Should have fallen where you want to go, Nichols. Now we go such a pick up, no day. Get you for Nichols. July, where you going for summer? Are you out to merch? Yeah, place to merch alone. Should have fallen where you want to go, Nichols. Now we go such a pick up, no day. Get you for Nichols. Me too.
I love such moves, guys, honestly. If all the times we execute moves and they immediately go in our direction, believe me, we would have more traders. We would have more traders, but it's never like that. But such entries are the best, honestly, where you execute and the market just flies in your direction. Cameron, I know you enjoy that song.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with
When you
it,
say
girl.
price
Dance with
action,
it, girl. Get with it, girl.
the simplest way to define price action is it is basically looking at the most recent what the market is doing. That is what price action means. You're looking at the current market price to base on your entries. That's why with price action you understand the market condition you're looking at, not the market condition of yesterday. The market condition you're currently looking at. You understand the market structure you're looking at. You understand the candlestick patterns that you're looking at the charts, and you base on that to really take your entries. Turn the radio on. So that's what I've been meaning with price action. The indicator it's Keltina channel. And whenever I'm looking at the Keltina channel, I want to see a breakout to the top side of the indicator. I anticipate buyers in the market. But to use both the indicator and price action is if I see a breakout, I anticipate buyers, but I would want to see market structure also shifting bullish in that direction as anticipated, then I'll start taking buys in that direction. But guys, it doesn't only stop on price action and the indicator. You have to also work on your risk management, your strategy. All those play a role in trading. Okay, I'm anticipating sellers. Wait, damn. Oh, that really moved fast there. And it's heading in my direction. These are the trades I don't like. Where the market takes you out and it still goes in your direction. I'm sorry about that, David. Sorry about that. Next time better. Baby, I don't need dollar bills to have fun tonight. Next time better, David. Next time better.
If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I judge for life, man, would you stay by my side? Or is you gonna say goodbye? Can you tell me right now? If I couldn't buy you different
See things in life, they would be alright.
Come and show me that you do. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me? Baby, don't lie to me. If I didn't have anything, I wanna know, would you stick around? If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? Skiddly down, down. All I want is somebody real who don't need much. My girl, I know that I can trust. To be here when money low. If I did not have nothing else to give but love, would that even be enough? Can't believe you. Now tell me, would you really ride for me? Baby, tell me, would you die for me? Would you spend your whole life with me? Would you be there to always hold me down? Tell me, would you really cry for me?
Baby, don't lie to me.
If I didn't have anything,
I wanna know, would you stick around?
if I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be would you call me? If you knew I wasn't ballin'. Cause I need a girl who's always by my side. Tell me, do you need me? Tell me, do you love me? Or is you just trying to play me? Cause I need a girl to hold me down for life. If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I got locked away and we lost it all today, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same? If I showed you my flaws, if I couldn't be strong, tell me honestly, would you still love me the same?
We are getting one atom, guys. One atom to go for defense. Defense. Okay, we are in. I know I'm supposed to be.
I'm getting money like I'm supposed to be.
Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Honestly, these are the best. Taking an entry on such a candlestick pattern is the best. I really enjoy doing that. Okay, let me see type congratulations to defense. That's the best candlestick pattern you can really take an entry on. I want to send my donations. Do you still have time today? Of course, guys. Of course. You can use the donation link down in the description. I still do have time. We are still locked in. You all know that. We are still locked in and you'll surely be added on the list. You wanna know how I don't wanna know. Let us move on to our next.
Getting money like I'm supposed to be.
Getting money like I'm supposed to be.
All my niggas close to me. And all the mother niggas where they supposed to be. Oh, the house go for me. Like the chicks in the pit like close for me. Oh, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be. Got your girl in my section finna go up. A nigga smoking loud, I'm about to roll up. She never got high like this with a guy like this. When she pop it, tell her hold up. Better believe she gon' leave with a real nigga. I take a jacket, put it down like a dude. I get the bustin' looking when she got
Hello. Any more donations? Guys, we are still here. We are still here. You can always take your donations because we are still locked in and you're surely gonna be added on the list. And if you want to be part of the participants, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. We are still locked in.
If he wants me to expose the freak,
It's not supposed to be.
Everything good like it's supposed to be.
Y'all chick come close to me. Ain't no home where she supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. Getting money like I'm supposed to be. All my niggas close to me. All the mother niggas where they supposed to be. The house go for me. Like the chicks in the pit like close to me. That's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Yeah, that's how I'm supposed to be. Everything good like it's supposed to be.
How do I participate? Interesting. Some you can use the donation link down in the description. You're going to see it. You can use that and you will surely be part of the participants tonight. Hey, you guys, It was just last time when I was asking how many traders love trading consolidating markets. Finally, we have someone who loves them. So tell me, Cameroon, what strategy do you have for your consolidating markets? And what have you found interesting about consolidating markets? Share. Share with us.
When you at home, that's your man. Soon as you land, you say it's all me. The shit ain't all G with him no more, you ain't entertained. Since I met you a couple months ago, you ain't been the same. Not saying I'm the richest man alive, but I'm in the game. As long as you keep it 100, I'ma spin his chain. Whenever you need me, whenever you want me, you know you can call me. I'll be there shortly. Don't care what your friends say. If they don't know me, I can be your best friend. You can be my homie.
And we're just gonna get 2 attempts for our next participant. Niarola.
I try to stay at your business, but on the rig it's so obvious. And if you keep fitting me in your plans and fucking up, your man's gonna get on us. That white sand surrounding us, he be handcuffed and he should work for the officers. If you rollin', I got a spot where I can put you on this medical or send you home doctor.
Okay, guys, this is our first attempt, and I'm loving this momentum from sellers. And it's in. Baby, I roll up, I roll up.
No matter where I am, no matter where you are, I'll be there when it's over, baby. 'Cause I was there from the start. No matter if I'm near, no matter if you're far, all you do is pick the phone up, take it, and I'll be there whenever you need me, whenever you want me. You know you can call me, I'll be there shortly. Don't care what your friends say, if they don't know me, I can be your best friend, and you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex, I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, then we all gon' stunt. Send her my way, she ain't gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. Whenever you need me, whenever you want me, you know you can call me, I'll be there shortly. Don't care what your friends say, if they don't know me, I can be your best friend, and you be my homie. I ain't gon' flex, I'm not gon' front. You know if I ball, we're all gon' stunt. Send her my way, she ain't gotta hold up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up. I'll roll up, I'll roll up. Whenever you call, baby, I'll roll up.
I'm at a payphone trying to call home. All of my change I spent on you. When I
This is a continuation entry. Structure is confirming buyers in the market, but sellers seem like they are coming after my entry. Oh my god. Oh my god, damn. I'm sorry about that, Ori. I'm sorry about that. Sometimes the market is being the market, and I believe that entries, those moments where the market is being the market. If only ever after did exist.
I will still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are full of shit. One more fucking love song, I'll be sick. Oh. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine. I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, but
Yeah, losses are part of this game. Yeah, losses are part of this game, but sometimes they do hurt. Let us move on to our next Vita Soul. Cameron, you are still telling me about the new strategy. But you see, that's a beauty about locking in. Whenever you're trading and you're fully locked in into this thing, there are some strategies that you're going to find yourself, and it is only you who can explain how you are able to see those things. And like I always said, your trading is personal, so it is always best to trade based on how you're comfortable with the market. If you can see moves in a consolidating market, don't hesitate to execute. Trading is all about taking the risk. So
I'll be out spending all this money while you sitting around wondering why it wasn't you who came up from nothing. Made it from the
let's move.
and all of my cars are with a push of a button. Telling me I changed since I blew up or whatever you call it. Switch the number to my phone so you never could call it. Don't need my name on my show, you could tell it I'm ballin'. Swish, what a shame, could've got picked. Had a really good game, but you missed your last shot. So you talk about who you see at the top or what you could've saw. But sad to say, it's over for. Phantom Bull, love, valet, open doors. Wish like all way, got what you was looking for. Now it's me who they want, so you can go take a whole piece of shit with you.
oh my god, that's crazy. Whatever after these exist. Just one atom to go. Have you ever, for the 18th time? No. I didn't reach that far. I didn't reach that far. I didn't really reach that far. 18th time. They always say third time is a charm, but it seems like for you 18th time is the charm for you. Oh my god, interesting. I know you heard about me, so hey, let's be straight. I'm dying to see, and this one is. I can make a bad voice good for the weekend. So it's gonna be forever, or it's gonna go down in flames. You can tell me when it's over. That I was worth the pain. Let us look in one attempt. Final attempt. Let's see how this goes. I'll tell you I'm insane, but I got a blank space, baby. Oh my god, I already love how this is turning out. Let me see, type congratulations to Vita Soul. Yeah, let me see, type congratulations to Vita Soul. All-time fave. Thank you. You're welcome, my dear. It's a go. I can make all the tables turn. If you second guess like, oh my god, who is she? I get drunk from jealousy. And you know how we do it, guys. Every single star participant tried away. I need to see more congratulations. If your hand was like a pain, the lonely Stoic lovers, they'll say you I'm insane. And you love the game. The lonely Stoic lovers. I got a blank space, baby. I know write your name. One love if it's torture.
Don't say I didn't warn ya. Boys, only one love if it's torture.
Don't say I didn't warn ya. Roblox, good to see ya. Sam, good to see ya. Ime, good to see. Imeka, good to see ya. Binesh, good to see ya. Smart Fix, good to see ya. Nick B, good to have you all. Good to have you all. This is the Trading Assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question as we are locking in for our next participant, Miroval. Christian. I make money move.
I'm a boss to a worker, bitch. I make blood. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at. You know where I be. You in the club just to party. I'm there.
I get paid to be.
I be in and out them banks so much. I know they tired of me.
Honestly,
don't give a fuck about who is buying me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working that's hard as me? I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say ghosts. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake. He wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him get what he want. He buy me East and Laurent. And then you whip. When I go back to the horse, I got the trunk in the front. I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it.
We need 3 attempts for our next participant, so let us watch out. Whenever you're looking at the charts, the first thing that always comes to your mind, if you're looking for an execution, an entry, you have to first understand where the highs and the lows are in the market. Map it out, because we all know those are the turning points in the market.
I don't dance now,
I make money move.
Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss to a worker, bitch. I make bloody moves. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Don't you come around my way. You can't hang around my block. And I just check my account. Turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand above my hip. I bet you dipsy, dipsy, dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch to her roll. I just a roll in no rolls. I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know that none of them niggas is safe. I go to dinner and steaks. Only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace. Now it's the
I use the indicator with the default settings.
I should let these bitches know. Just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check the mail. Another check from Mona.
Hello, bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to.
These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. It's the store, I can get them both.
I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look,
I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss to a working bitch, I make bloody moves.
You got some red bottoms? Definitely. As long as I'm locked in these markets, guys. As long as I'm locked in. Oh my god. Crazy, crazy, crazy. We are just looking for one attempt for our participant.
Love in 1,000 different flavors.
Structure is showing me sellers are in the market by just looking at this.
No, I ain't no dinner.
Let us first get these buys.
All your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All the girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip. 'Cause you know what I'm
Okay, let me see type congratulations to Miro. Let me see type congratulations to Miro. Salalala. And you know how we do it, guys? Everything goes to the participant right away. Freaky, freaky. Bad girls don't salalala.
Bust down on my wrist in it, bitch. My dicky ain't bigger than this. Matter how Beverly Hills.
I need to see more congrats. I need to see more congrats to our participants.
All she wears red bottom heels. Push it back it up, put it on the top. Push it up a low, put it on the ground. DJ pop it, she can follow that. Champagne pop it, she can swallow that.
All time fave, good to see you. You're locked in, I can see.
Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la.
Salalala.
Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Okay, let us move on to our next participant.
Drink, swalla la la.
Freaky, freaky.
Nothing word to the Dalai Lama. He know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Jangali. I know he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no. I'm that bitch he know. He know like your wife in these thoughts. You don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year. We don't get blimps for that. That's the gang still call. We don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I gave these bitches 2 years. Now your time's up. Bless her heart. She throwing shots, but every line sucks. I'm in that cherry red form with the brown guts. My shit slapping like dude did LeBron nuts.
Come on, take a seat, 'cause you know what I'm saying. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Swallalala. Swallalala. What used to scare me excites me now. I mean, that is the beauty of showing up consistently. It is normal and it is very okay, especially for beginners. Most of the times you get to fear the market, especially if you have tested some losses from it. But the more you really choose to lock in and show up consistently, fear of the market, I believe the best thing that can help you get over it is showing up consistently. If you're consistently looking at the charts, there's a way you're going to just stop fearing them. And the more you lock in, you're going to also understand the more you look in, you're going to understand that the losses sometimes we take and you say the market is working against you. You do realize actually sometimes you are always maybe taking trades in rejection areas, low momentum areas, but All those things, you get to realize them the more you look in on the charts. Can't live without you. I want you to stay. Just one attempt to look in for coral. Looks, luxury. And around and around and around we go.
Yo, where the panels are bad man? Yo, you know enough of
I'm from my brother, he greets me where I'm from, he greets well. Brother. Don't be your hands again with this.
Nah, you know enough
You don't
of
see,
yes,
you don't see person when they craze before. You don't meet your match.
brother.
So plus that yellow, plus the yellow girl. Now my own too.
Dog, you risk your life, your girl.
I'm ready to risk it all.
Alright, everything good. Yeah. Everything good.
Look at this momentum. Look at this momentum here. These are the best entries. I love taking. You execute and the market gives you that crazy momentum. You just know. It's most likely to close in a plus. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to Cora.
For you, my child. You want the phone? Yes. No case. I no go talk. Cafe for you, my child. For you, my child. Take me everywhere you want to go.
Tell me everything you want to know. No lie. No lie.
Yeah. Run am anyhow you want to run. Check out, baby girl, you fire fast, you go down. No doubt.
The indicators, I use them with the default settings. Big money, someone's funny. Who be risky? Body whiskey, get tipsy. Guys, let us say congratulations to all our participants for tonight. I know participants where it didn't go well, next time better. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. Guys, I do have a Signal group. All you have to do if you want to be put in a Signal group is to create an account with my link. Write to me via Telegram with proof, and I'll surely add you to the group.
Body girl got the clean and cute, tell your nickel them blow my mind. Maybe give your money anywhere ready time. Give up your body, let me see your waistline.
Amora is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So all time fave, be sure to lock in on the trading assembly.
You say you want my boo in fire.
I love that, Nick B. Guys, Nick B is saying some winners should donate to us here in that chat, in the comment section. I do believe they should, because why not? Botanical risky. I love that. They should. Straight to the point and precise. Guys, if you want to be part of the donations tomorrow, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations, I do donations for all traders that want me to trade for them. So if you are a trader and you want me to trade for you, or if you are someone who wants me to trade for you, it is simple. Use the donation link in the description. I'll surely add you on the participants tomorrow. And I mean, we get to cruise, because why not? Oh my god, interesting. You guys are so I love that, Nick. I love that, Nick B. Okay, Cat Lover, good to see ya. Kid, dear, good to see you. Good to see you all.
She gave me breaking down. And she said she got like 2, 3, 10 friends trying to come through. 2, 3. Yes, nigga. About this dude. Yo, he's sleepy. Ain't gonna worry about this dude. Hey, man. Oh, hey, it's up, bro.
Baby.
Majesty, you surely be added on the list tomorrow for the participants. You remind me of something. I don't know why it is. You remind me of something. You gotta show it. I don't know what it is. What does the shirt say? New star. I'm a star. Okay. Guys, we are going to catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Be sure to join the trading assembly. We get to learn and we get to also lock in. And trading is all about that. Much love from here. Cat Lover, Godly, Mosho, Budget Living, Nick B, Dior, Cameron, Godwin. You guys are interesting. But what has really made the night today for me is someone suggesting that participants they share. Anyways, much love, guys.
Tell me what your name is. I don't really care who you came with. Unless you got a couple friends look like you. My bad if my ex try to fight you.
You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Godly. Tomorrow, make sure you mark your attendance early. We are gonna get into the details of the strategy. It is price action, but tomorrow we are gonna get into the details. Tomorrow, 8 p.m. 8 p.m. Be sure to join the trading assembly early. You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. All those that have not seen their names on the donation, on the queue, on the donation list, send your screenshot to me via Telegram with proof. Then I'll surely add you on the list tomorrow.
Baby, let me put your panties to the side. I'ma make you feel alright. I'ma give you what you need, yeah.
You remind me of something. I don't know what it is. You remind me of something. You gotta show it. Yeah, yes, you got to use the links on in the description for my Telegram channel. For my Telegram channel. The link is down in the description. For my Telegram, where you can write to me, the link is down in the description. If you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link down in the description for Skynet trading bot.
It's no limit. It could all be yours for a small fee of $59.99. You can make your dreams come true. Where fantasy.
All right, guys, I love you so much. Let us catch up tomorrow, same time. Good night. Bye. The heart. Much love. Yeah, tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m.